Hello, my name is Andrew Cedino, and today I'll be teaching you on how to replace a tuned acoustic guitar string. So why should you try this? You'll be able to play your guitar in less time. Also, a set of playable strings will enhance your guitar playing experience. You will need 5 different materials, starting with the acoustic guitar strings, an electronic guitar tuner, a string winder and cutter, and a guitar pick. You need to know the guitar anatomy beforehand. There are 8 parts that we'll be using for this presentation, starting with the headstock. This holds the 6 tuning pegs, which allows you to tune the strings and also allows you to loosen or tighten the strings as desired. The midsection is the neck. We start with the nut, which holds your strings so they don't move. The fretboard, which is composed of segmented rectangles that run along the entire neck, and the body, which is the lower main chamber of the acoustic guitar. The body holds the bridge, and the bridge holds the 6 bridge pins, which anchors the acoustic guitar's strings into the guitar itself. So where should this take place? You should do this on a tabletop or a flat surface. In this example, I'm using a desk. And try to have a quiet area with minimum background noise because you'll be using the guitar tuner, and the electronic guitar tuner needs to listen to the pitch to find the correct note without interference from background noise. First, I will remove the old guitar string. Then I will explain how to replace it with a tuned guitar string. Each step takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes to complete. And the entire process should take you at least 5 minutes, depending on your experience. Step 1, you will remove the old string at the headstock. Now, you will first unwind the guitar string completely at the headstock with the string winder. The string winder has a notch where you can insert the tuning peg into, and you will turn it clockwise. This will allow you to completely loosen the string. So carefully pull out the string from the tuning peg after it's completely loose. Step 2, you will remove the old string at the bridge. So inserting the string winder's notch underneath the bridge pin, you will pull the pin up and set the pin aside. Then you can pull out the old string from the bridge and then discard it. Moving on, you will need to know the guitar string, and it consists of a thin end, which you will use to wind up at the headstock, and a ball end, which will be anchored at the bridge by the bridge pin. So you can grab your new string, unravel it, and straighten it out so we can move on to step 4. You will be anchoring the ball end by inserting the ball end into the bridge pin's hole. You will face the bridge pin's indented side towards the guitar string. This is normally done with 2 hands, where one hand is holding the guitar string and the other hand is holding the bridge pin, but make sure the indented side is facing the guitar string. And you will simultaneously now push down on the bridge pin and pull up on the string. This will allow you to properly anchor the string. Moving forward, you'll wind the thin end at the headstock. You will thread the thin tip into the hole of the tuning peg. Leave slack in the line. Use the string winder and wind the peg counterclockwise until the line is tight. You can cut off any excess hanging string with the string cutters. Now, you will need to position your electronic tuner onto the headstock. If it comes with a clip, then you can easily clip it onto the headstock. But if it doesn't have this feature, then make sure that you position your electronic tuner near your guitar, because it needs to listen to the note, to the pitch of the string when you pluck it. So moving forward on step 7, you need to know the 6 notes of a guitar. From the thickest string at the top to the thinnest string at the bottom, the notes are E, A, D, G, B, E. These are the 6 notes of an acoustic guitar. Moving forward, you need to understand your electronic tuner. So turn on your electronic tuner and pluck your guitar string. In this example, I'm using the A string and we're trying to replace this string with the correct pitch. So I'll pluck the string and you'll see that the needle is on the left side as indicated on the left photo. So when it's on the left side, this is indicating that the pitch is flat. Whereas if the needle is on the right side, then this means that the pitch is what we call sharp. So to tune your new string, depending on your needle's position, you'll need to tighten or loosen your new guitar string by turning its tuning peg counterclockwise to tighten it or clockwise to loosen it. Tune your string until your needle meets in the middle. Pluck again to ensure that your needle stays in the middle. By doing so, your string should be in tune. You can use the same process to replace and tune all 6 of your guitar strings. Warning, preventing injury from tuning. Do not over-tighten your new string because the tension can forcefully snap it. Cut off excess guitar string. And when not in use, store away your guitar cutters. Another warning, preventing injury from waste. Properly dispose of any waste because cut up guitar strings have sharpened ends. And for guitar maintenance, make sure to replace your strings once a year, and you may need to replace them more depending on its usage. You can tell that it needs replacing if the sound becomes more dull or if there's any wear and tear on the strings. There are tuning variations. You can use a phone application, which works the same way as an electronic tuner. You can also match your guitar's tuning to the pitch of another tuned guitar. And you can also match a relative pitch from a piano by playing the piano, listening to the note, and tuning your guitar by the note of the piano, or by using an online video. This method is a quick and efficient way to get you back to playing your acoustic guitar in less time. With playable strings, your guitar will become more enjoyable. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I'm glad to have been able to share this with you. Thank you. Have a great day.